like how many ever the web element you have on the web page, it holds good for all. Okay, that is the implicit wait. Okay, now what is explicit wait? Explicit wait is the one for particular, for example, user ID and password. Okay, but this login button, it is taking sometime it is taking 50 seconds also. Maybe that is a possibility, but you don't want your test case to terminate or throw some exception because of just one element. Okay, in that case, how you do is you need to describe a wait for this element explicitly. That is called explicit wait. Implicit wait is for all elements in the web page. Explicit wait is for particular element in the web page. Okay, so just make a note of it. These two things, implicit and explicit wait. Just this theory part 1 point, you just make a note of it. Other thing I'll tell you.
Okay.
Implicit wait, there are two types of wait mainly, implicit and explicit wait. Implicit wait is for particular element and implicit wait is for all the element in the web page. Explicit wait is for particular element in the web page. All right. Now I'll just do and show, then you'll understand in a better way. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. This was our test case, right? I'll just minimize this. I'll create my one class called wait test. Okay. Okay, then public static void main. Okay, there is an implicit wait and explicit wait, right? Now prerequisite was what up and now, like as we saw in login log out. As I can see, this was my setup. Okay, so this would remain my prerequisite. Always I'll keep it as it is. Okay, these 4 lines remains the same, it will not change. Setup. Okay, but as you could see, I was not able to maximize the browser, right? When I launch this, so if I do just driver.get, and it will take string as an input, right? That is nothing but your URL, right? So this was my URL, I'll pass it here, right? So when you do this, but here what happens is, like when I launch this, just if you can notice, is launching a browser, but see, I'm not liking the way it is doing. It is not maximizing, it is like some half of the things, right? So I'm not liking that. So how do? I want to maximize that to the full screen. Driver.manage.windows.maximize. If I write this line, it will maximize. Okay, now see, if I run, it will be like this. It will just launch the browser, then maximize, then it will go to the URL. As you can see, it launched the browser, browser maximized, then it went to the URL. Okay, now I want to define implicit wait, because as you can see, like now network is fast, maybe okay, and environment is fine, it is working. Sometimes if the website is slow or if your network is slow, it will not work. Okay, it will wait for like 1 or 2 seconds and it will just throw an exception. I don't want it to happen. So what I'll do, I'll just describe implicit wait. Driver.manage.timeout. Okay, implicit wait. Implicit wait, what will take an input? Long and time units. Long in the sense there is an int, float, long was there, right? In that way. So it is, I'm giving 50 seconds. Okay, and here it is time units. If you just enter time units, what is the time unit? Days, hours, millisecond, right? I'll give it in milliseconds. Okay, so it is 50 milliseconds. Understood? So these 5 lines of code, it remains same throughout your Selenium. Okay, these are the prerequisite kind of. Okay, so implicit wait, when you're describing 30-50 seconds, like how many ever the element you're writing in your, now if 1,000 elements are there, just assume it holds good for so many elements. All right, now I want to just enter my user ID and password, right? I'll just do inspect. Okay, this was the automated one. Okay, I'll just inspect this. Okay. So this was ID, right? I'll take my ID. Then driver dot find element dot by dot ID, right? I'll give my ID. What driver dot find element will return? What it will return if you put a cursor? What it will return?
It will
What it will
return
return?
to
It
the
will
user.
return a web element. No.
Hmm.
Driver dot find element will return a web element. See,
Web element.
if you put a cursor, you should keep in mind driver dot find element will return a web element. Okay, so I'll keep in web element. If you put a cursor, you saw, right? It was a web element. So I'll just give my web element name user ID field. Okay, this is user ID is a user defined. I'm giving that name. Driver dot find element is returning web element, so I'm storing it in web element. Okay, now when we come to password, now user ID field is found. I'm getting to the password, so I'm inspecting. Okay, now again I'll do by ID. Okay, then again driver dot find element by dot ID only, right? I'm taking again ID. I'm giving this. Okay, again what driver dot find element will return? It will return web element only, right? I'll store in another web element. Web element. Okay. Password. These two fields are found. So what should I do next? Here, login button is there. Now login button is working fine. Just assume that like sometime like after 30 second, 40 second also it is taking more time to load. It is not working properly. In that case, how do you do this? Like I want to define the extra weight for this element, okay, explicitly. So how do I describe my explicit weight? So WebDriver weight, here you have, right? Just I can else type it down. WebDriver weight equal to WebDriver weight equal to new WebDriver weight. Okay, that is taking WebDriver as an input and long in a millisecond it is taking. See, in seconds it is taking WebDriver and seconds. So driver it is taking input. Okay, so this driver it is taking it as an input, and timeouts in seconds I am describing 50 seconds explicitly or some 60 seconds explicitly. Okay, now what I should tell, I have created an object for WebDriver weight, right? That is an explicit weight. So weight, because my weight was my object, dot until, okay, expected condition, these things you need to just import, expected condition, that method, dot element to be clickable, right? Element to be clickable by web element, right? I need to give the element. Which was my element? Element was my submit button, right? So I need to find that element because I was targeting this element for explicit weight, right? So I'll just the input type, Control F, input type equal to submit, right? I'll just find a X path for this. Okay, Control F, double colon, input type equal to submit at the rate. Okay, one match found. That is my submit button, login button. Okay, I'll come here. So I'll just find that driver dot find element by dot xpath. Okay, xpath. I'll give that xpath as an input. This was my submit button, right? What it will return again, driver dot find element, web element only, right? Web element. So I'm giving here, it is sub button. Okay, it is done. Now I'll give this web element to this because it was asking for element, right? Web element. I get this. Okay, now internally it will allocate explicit weight for this element because I'm targeting the submit button. Okay, now this was my user ID web element, right? This was my user ID web element, user ID, right? Dot, I can do send keys. What is my user ID? Rekha, KTHUIAT 94@gmail.com. Right. What is my password? See, send keys you can do either directly, you can do send keys here, or you can store it in some web element. If you store it like this element you can use like how many ever the time you want, because you have stored it somewhere, you can use it many times. Okay, now password, PWD, right? It was send keys, password field, I'm sending the key called Rekha@2407. It was my password, right? Now, sometime it is, now we'll just run and see if it works fine. Okay. Okay, I didn't click on login. So I was supposed to click on login also. Here I found login, right? I found it was my login, right? Web element submit button. So I'll wait for that. Then once it is done, then dot click. I'll just click on that. Okay. The submit button was clickable, right? See, it is launching, maximizing. It is getting to the URL. Okay. And once it is loaded, it will enter the user ID. And it is password, and it is clicking on login. Okay. There is how likes implicit wait and explicit wait works.